going vintage shopping today.
We're going to a place called Old Hat Vintage. We've never been there before, first time, but it has good reviews, so we're gonna see what they have. You're looking for stuff, or no?
Not like anything specific. I like vintage things, so we'll see. It's raining in New York today.
Might start pouring on us on any second. These are our outfits.
I went for Elizabeth James or Princess Diana vibes.
Okay. I didn't know it was a theme.
Elizabeth James from The Parent Trap, and obviously Princess Diana.
I went spring vibes, I guess. I don't know. Butterfly. Baggy jeans. And I think I gotta open my umbrella now.
Yeah, it's good.
See you inside. There it is. Oh my gosh. It's
literally in 2 seconds. What I found, and it matches the little basket. Wow, I have to get this. Oh, so cute. I feel like I travel well. Look at this. Unclear what it's used for. Here's the haul of everything I'm getting. I'm literally obsessed. Okay, there's some damage. Not too much damage. That's what I love about antique and vintage. Like if I was buying this stuff new from an actual store, I would pay over $200. Let's be honest. Lennox is apparently like a very expensive material thingy that sells for expensive.
It's good quality.
Yeah.
They all match each other. Like
it's so beautiful. It's matchy but different at the same time because the decorations on there were all different except two of them that were the same, which I think was the set.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the other decorations were different, but I love that. Like it's just one of a kind, but also goes together. Yeah. I love it. I'm obsessed. And the rain is starting again now that we left.
Under the trees.
No, look at the puddle. Oh, maybe.
That's just a tree.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
No. Hold on. Bye. Okay, now we're gonna go run some errands and we'll take you along with us.
Oh, the lighting is so nice here. We're in the golfing section and I look over here and I was like, I thought this was Adam Sandler. Tennis section. Wow. Cute. Guys, this sexy ass tennis racket. So beautiful.
I'm so excited. These are all the pieces that I bought. I just gave them a wash and they look so cute. This plate, we had originally thought Brianna had mentioned making macarons and laying the macarons on there, and I thought that was so cute, but when I showed my mom, she immediately went like this. And you know what? That works too. And it looks so cute. So This plate will have multiple, what's the word? I can't think of the word. I don't know. I can do a lot with this plate. Here's the basket, which was my favorite in the store. It was the first thing I picked up, and I just love it. I think that with the fruits inside, it's gonna look so cute. And then here is this, what's this called? A pitcher? I don't know what it's called. Which I was a little hesitant in the store. I was thinking about it in the store because I don't know what I would use it for right now. I don't really have a purpose for it right now, but I bought it anyway, and now it's literally my favorite piece that I bought besides the basket. I love the basket, but I just love this, and I'm so excited to have this in the future when I move out and have my own apartment. It's gonna look so cute. But yeah, here's everything. I'm so happy with it. I'm so excited. I love vintage shopping.